Alright, hey everyone, so last time our code was painfully slow, LeetCode number 1. We're not reviewing the problem again because honestly I'm tired and we need to move faster this time. To speed things up, we're using a hash table. That's the solution. First thing, we pick a prime number. I grabbed 20,011. Is it actually prime? No idea, but it sounds prime, so we're just gonna roll with it. Let's just call it P. Naming variables is not my strong point. Now we need a key, a value, and a flag. There we are. Type in false. Good enough. We're calculating the hash first. Wait, hold on, am I recording? Let me check, I seriously don't want to go through another. I talked to myself for 40 minutes without recording moment. Okay, recording, crisis averted, so we compute the hash. Take mod add p, mod p again. Don't ask why, it makes me feel safer. Linear probing, because my brain can't handle anything more complicated right now. Also renaming flag to used, because at least that sounds like I know what I'm doing. Insert function done. Let me fix the formatting. Looks slightly less embarrassing. Next, the find function. Same hash math. I pretend I planned that design consistency, but honestly I'm just lazy. Then I realized I reused the variable name. Of course, classic me. Anyway, if we don't find anything, we return -1 and pretend that's intentional. Now the solution code. We call findKey, we do the usual loop, and then we return whatever we're supposed to return. Alright, moment of truth. No tests, we're submitting it raw. Mostly because I'm sleep deprived. And it passed 100% 0 millisecond. Honestly, I didn't expect that. I mean, I thought it would work, but I didn't actually believe in myself that much. Anyway, that's it for today. My brain is out of energy. I'm going to bed.
Remember to like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye!